Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. So Mass Kitchen had an order to prepare some buffet, yes, for 40 people, and some also for 22, and then 15 others. Do you get it? And so I'm going to take you through the preparations that I made for this awesome, scrumptious buffet you see there. But before then, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And so the first thing I did was to get the needed items and ingredients. So I got some packs, takeaway packs, disposable plates, gloves, cling film, and also tissue, my juice bottles, eggs, rice. I got some vegetables, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, and I got these carrots. Yes, a box of carrots. I got some lettuce. I got some green beans, cauliflower, beetroot, cucumber. I got beans, onions, turmeric, fruits, pumpkin, yam, and I have some oranges and pineapples, sweet potatoes, and also some oil. I got oil. These are cabbage, yes. So cabbages, yes. So I had to wash the lettuce and then put them in water so that it will be fresh every day. What I did was to change the water every day. And so these are some of the things that I got: some chunks, some baked beans, green peas, red kidney beans, pasta, and then I also got non-dairy milk powder, cornstarch, how do you call it, mayonnaise, and others. You get. Then I got this chicken thigh, and also this fish from the seaman. So this fish, my mom bought them for me. I gave her money to purchase it for me. As at the time I was making this video, I had already prepared my tomato and pepper base sauce. That is why you don't see tomatoes and peppers in the video. Do you get it? And so on the D-Day, I have to prep all my ingredients. You see my cabbage and carrots that I need for the day. And so on this day, I was going to prepare 3 different kinds of rice. I was going to prepare jollof rice, turmeric rice, wache, and also 2 different kinds of salad. So I started with the jollof rice, and also the turmeric rice as well. And you know, I have the sauce recipe, my tomato pepper based sauce for all your recipes is there. So it's made the journey very easy for me. I'd already prepared the tomato base somewhere, prepared my shito, prepared my green sauce there, which I have the videos on the channel so you can watch. And so this is our jollof rice ready, and then our turmeric rice also ready. And I have to cook or steam my chicken and then grill it. I decided to grill the chicken instead of frying it. Do you get it? So this is the grilled chicken. I also prepared some juices, millet drink. I have the recipe there, carrot and turmeric drink, beetroot drink. And so this is the D-Day, the our jollof rice. We garnished with some red kidney beans, our wache garnished with some sweet corn, and then our turmeric rice garnished with some green peas. We added kelly willy or fried plantain. This is Ghana salad. Yes, very tasty. And also we prepared pumpkin and sweet potato salad. And I have the video of sweet potato salad so you can watch and then incorporate the pumpkin into it. I'll leave the link there for you. And so my people started serving themselves. They really enjoyed the food, and I was so happy. You know, when you go through the stress to cook and people enjoy it, you even forget about the stress. And I must say this was one of the stressful orders that I had, because all the people I will use, or all the people who helped me in preparing the order, they all traveled for a camp meeting, and I was left with only my sister and I, just the two of us, cooking everything, chopping, slicing, preparing everything, bottling here and there. So it was very stressful. Yes, it was very stressful, I must confess. But seeing them enjoy the food made me forget about the pain and the stress and all that. So in the evening, I served some pasta with fish and chicken, some coleslaw, and also fried yam. And then we added fruit salad to it. So the next day, was supposed to prepare fried rice. So this is the fried rice we are preparing for 20 people, 18 to 20 people. And so the fried rice was ready, and then I have to start packaging them. We added fruit salad also to it. Yes, so each person got a pack of fruit salad, a pack of salad, and then also yogurt, and then a pack of fried rice. And so this is it for our buffet. I have all the recipes on the channel, and I'll leave the link there for you to watch and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. If you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, do and share. Bye bye.